To access your iLand administration portal, go to success.iland.com/home and click Login at the top right. Enter your credentials and you will be redirected to your user homepage. There are 2 navigation bars within the portal, one lining the top and then one to the left. You are able to collapse the left bar if you would like, and the icons will still show. Your My Company tab is the homepage for the portal and provides you a few of the following: the name of your account manager at iLand, whom you can contact for assistance, your company's main address and billing address. Should you need to edit these, your account manager can assist, the solutions that you are currently subscribed to, as well as their operational status. To the top right, you can click Cloud Console, and a new tab will open with the login request to access your iLand Secure Cloud Console to manage your solutions. Status Page will open the status page in a new tab for you to review your specific locations and be sure to subscribe to receive maintenance notifications. Support will open a new tab with our support landing page on the iLand website with methods to contact the iLand support team. Home will open our Knowledge Center for you to review product information, how-tos, and FAQs. The gear symbol can either open up our Ideas portal for you to help guide the path of iLand solutions based on your product feature requests, or also allow you to log out. To the top left, Catalyst will allow you to access our Catalyst tool to help right-size your solutions, and then File Share for any bidirectional file sharing between yourself and iLand. The left-hand navigation is separated into a few blocks. Account Administrative will provide account information and then contact management. The Orders and Billing section will allow you to view a list of your contracts, invoices, and work orders with iLand. Within the Ticket section, you can review deployment, support, and billing tickets for your company. And then at the bottom, there is helpful iLand information that provides access to compliance documents and iLand Labs for hands-on solution review. And then at the lower right, you can click on iLand Chat to speak with an iLand representative if needed. There are individual videos for each tab for you to review to dive deeper into the functionality. Let us know if you have any issues or questions.